We're going to try and make a cookie clicker game. There's a lot of little parts that need to come together. Here's the first one. So what I've got here is a slightly different structure from what we've had before. We've previously had this exit on click. When we get to the end of the program, we're kind of done. You click it, it closes the window. We don't want that. What we want is the program to be constantly running and kind of listening for events. And that's what this turtle.mainloop does at the end here. Also, we're going to want multiple things on the screen, and everything on the screen has to be a turtle. So I'm going to make a turtle each time I need to display something. So in this case, it's just a normal turtle. And I'm going to want to be able to click on things. It's cookie clicker, we've got to click on things. So I have connected an event. So have a little look here. It says myturtle.onclick, and when you click on it, it will call this myTurtleClicked function. Here it is. It's going to say you clicked the turtle. So let's just play. There's my little turtle down here, and if it's kind of small, but I'll click on it and you can see it says you click the turtle. If I click over here, nothing happens. Click on the turtle, you click the turtle. So that's the first little building block or jigsaw piece that's going to make our cookie clicker game.